Hello, I'm Lesley Logan, and today we're going to talk about how to get your hands under your hips for shoulder bridge. So in shoulder bridge, ideally, your hands are here underneath your hips and you have one leg up and it's doing its thing, right? But a lot of people feel this position in their wrists. And the reason for that is they're just really not in their legs enough, okay? And now, obviously, you have to have certain dimensions and flexibility and strength, right? So first thing you have to have is a strong upper back. And what's lovely is if you have handles, that's going to help you get there. But if you don't, then really exploring pulling straps 1 and 2. If you don't have a reformer, we do have that as an exercise you can do on the mat. It's really going to help you get back there. Also, your double leg kick is really going to help you get that upper back super strong and connected if you do it correctly. Meaning, when you do your double leg kick, your hands go up and not back. And that's going to really work the muscles around here. Okay, so first you need that, which means you have to have an open front. So that means in your roll-ups, and you're rolling like a ball, in your hundreds, you're not rounding your shoulders forward. Got it? So wide upper back, absolutely necessary, but it's an equal balance of strength and flexibility. The next thing you need is amazing connection to your FAST. So your single leg kick, super great for this, because as you do this, it's strengthening this and it's opening the front of this. Got it? That's key. So don't throw this exercise away. Your thigh stretch that you do before you get to shoulder bridge, again, opening this, connecting you to this. So then you just have to work on standing in your feet. Okay? Standing in your feet. And one of those things that I like to do to make sure people are doing that is in your shoulder bridge, just trying to lift 1 foot 1 inch and then the other inch, and 1 foot and 1 foot and 1 foot and 1 foot, and just really trying to keep this happening without the pelvis dipping down. Got it? So then when you put your hands here, yes, you need flexibility in your spine as well, but hopefully you're getting that from the practice. And then you're standing in your feet. So if I'm not saying my feet, I feel this a lot in my wrists. But when I push into my feet, my backside of my legs are on, this is here, my hands can just slip in and out. They're just there as a guide, like a spine corrector. So hopefully that makes a lot of sense for you and you're enjoying it. And then try it out. And if you want some help and support in getting all of those things to happen, all of that strength to happen, then come to onlinepilatesclasses.com where we do life better.